how to multiply decimal numbers. Let's see this. We have two numbers 2.6 and 0.6, and we are going to multiply these two decimal numbers. So let's see two of the rules and then we will multiply them. Rule number 1, multiply both numbers without decimal point. Let's apply this rule. It means that we have to multiply 2.6, and you know that we are not allowed to use that decimal anymore. It means that we are only going to multiply 26 into 6. Same way, we are not using the decimal part or the decimal number of the both numbers. So it means that we're going to multiply 26 into 6, and 6 is the 36, 6 and 3 carry, 6 to the 12 plus 3, so it is 15. So the answer is 156. Now let's see the rule number 2. Rule number 2 says add decimal places of both numbers and apply. See how simple it is. Here let's add the decimal places of both numbers. Here we have only one decimal place. Here we have one decimal place. So it means that we have total of two decimal places. By the way, decimal place is the number of digits after the decimal point. So we have one here and one here. So we have total two decimal places. And apply means that at the moment decimal lying at the end of the whole number or the integer here, and it should be at the number 2. So it means that you have to move this decimal 1 place, 2 place here. So decimal will be here. So it means that the answer will be 1.56. Here we have another question, 0.72 multiplied by 0.04. So as per the rule number 1, let's multiply these two decimal number without decimal point or decimal place. So 72 multiplied by 4. So simply what we did, in fact, we just take out the decimal, so we just only multiplying the pure number. Here it is 72, here we have 4. So let's multiply them together. 4 2s are 8 and 7 4s are 28. So we have 288. Now as per the rule number 2, let's count the decimal places of both number. Here we have 2 places, here we have 2 places. So total we have 4 decimal places. Let's apply these 4 decimal places here. At the moment decimal lie at the end of the integer or whole number, so we have to move 4 places toward the left. So it will be 1 2 3 4. So decimal will be here. It means that we have to put a 0 in between. So the answer will be 0.0288. I hope you got it. It's quite simple. Here we have another question, 0.36 multiplied by 1000. So as per the rule, let's multiply these two numbers without decimal place. So it means that 36 going to multiply with the 1000, and of course it will be, you just add 30 to the 36, so it will be 36,000. It's quite simple to understand. So the answer is 36,000. Now as per the rule number 2, let's count the decimal places of both numbers. So here we have 2 decimal places and here we have none, because decimal lies here, so we have nothing after this decimal. So the total places are 2. At the moment decimal lying at the end of this whole number or integer, and we have moved 2 places toward the left. So here 1 place, here 2 place. So decimal place will be here. The answer will be in fact 360.00, and as we know these 20 has no values, so the answer will be 360.